We've been building boats since 1974. Along the way, we've learned a lot, and we wanted to take everything we've learned to another level. And the way to get there, of course, is to build a factory that allows you to achieve a state-of-the-art process that delivers an outstanding boat to the customer.
We build boats specifically for each customer. We don't build boats to the yard, we don't build boats for inventory or for dealers. We sell direct to customers and we build custom design and build boats. We needed a factory that could create those customizations, but also do it in a very efficient and high quality way. By incorporating this linear flow through the factory as well as individual shops, we're able to be highly effective at creating these customizations for our customers.
You're coming in and you're experiencing a facility that really represents our product. The customers are able to come in, see the boats in production. They're able to walk on our catwalk and really understand what we do. And now they're able to see a lot more product at once.
The test pool that was designed into this facility really added a whole nother level of productivity. It's allowed us to test all systems as well as the plumbing.
It was great to be able to finally showcase our new facility where we were able to share this with our customers. I think we really set a standard when they visit our facility to what a boat factory or boat manufacturing facility should be and how it should be managed. Miami-Dade County is where we all grew up. My partners and I, our families here, this is where our employees are. These are the guys that really know how to build our boats, and the employees are the backbone of our business. It's really nice to be able to stay in your area and be known for building a really good product in your hometown.